Hello, Papa J learns Excel here. So today I'm going to teach you about table formatting. So I'm sure you have heard of table formatting. So what is it about? So as you can see the table over here that we have been using Man United players, right? Okay, this table over here is just a pure table we are formatting. Okay, as you can see. So what's the advantage of formatting? Okay, it has some inbuilt functions for you already. Okay, so we shall see. So you click anywhere in the table, right? Then you go to home, and you can just click on format as table. Okay, choose the style that you like. Okay, so I like this style, so I choose this style. Okay, so when you click this style and you click my table has headers, remember to click on my table has headers. Okay, so it will format. So besides the appearance, besides the design over here, okay, there are some other functionalities that we can explore. So it has a design tag for you. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing over here. Okay, so if you go to the last line of the table, you go to design tab. Okay, if you click total row, let's click this. Okay, the last row will appear by itself. Okay, so this is the convenience. Okay, so over here it says 221, means it has already summed up the total for you already. So if you total all this, right? Not the total number of rows, is the entries, number of entries. Okay, so there are 221 entries over here. Okay, because these are still in text form. These are still in text form. Okay, so these are not numbers. Let's see whether they can sum numbers. Okay, let's total up the appearances. Let's see whether we can total. Okay, sum is 0. So what happened over here? Because all these are not numbers. Okay, we shall convert all these to numbers first by picking this. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, it's okay. We shall use another method. Okay, we shall use this equals to value. Okay, to do this, right? Copy to, okay. Okay, so we shall convert all these to values. Yes, there we have it. And we can delete all this. Okay, we can delete. Now, so it will give you the sum. Now it will give you the sum. Okay, this is a subtotal. So we can select sum as well. Select sum for this. Yes. So okay, so probably it's not a good idea. Okay, it's not a good idea. Oh, sorry, there's some mistakes over here. Okay. So what happened over here is, okay, value so go and fix this, right? Okay, value is it all 0? No, not 0. Okay, let's check this one more time. Okay, so no subs, right? Okay, value, sorry for the error over here. Let's do this again. Okay, let's copy. Right? Yeah. 1, 2, 4. Okay, let's copy. So we have all the values over here, right? Okay. Yeah, correct. Okay, so let's copy all this. Copy and hey, yeah, there we have it. Okay, then we delete all this. Okay, delete. Now we have the sum. Let's go to sum. Okay, so in total, they score 7,836 goals for Man U. Okay, now you can do other things as well. So for example, if you want a minimum, you can click minimum, or minimum is 0, and maximum 253. Okay, you can do an average 35, or other things over here. Okay, so that's a good thing about this. Okay, so let's go back to sum, right? And we shall ignore this, delete. So the total is 7836. Okay, and then over here you can see, right, when you format as table, the headers will be over here. Then you can do your filtering over here. Okay, and do your filtering. That's the good thing about this. Okay, okay, so let's take a look at these figures again. 7836, right? So let's say we filter by nationality, filter by England. Okay, and then we take a look at the last row again. Now the total changes. Okay, it has changed to 387 because now it's taking the sum of all the England players. Okay, so because it's using subtotal, it's not using sum, then it's using subtotal. So that's the useful thing. So let's say if you change to another nationality, or let's say we want a different position, we want a goalkeeper. Yeah, let's see whether anyone score. No, only two. Okay, only two. Okay, so let's say we change to some other things like forward. Of course, forward will score the most goals, right? Okay. Yeah, and 2739. So there you have it. This is a good thing about formatting as table. You have the design, you have this total row over here, and you can do other things like summarize with pivot table. Okay, and as for the table name is table 5. So see whether you want to rename this. Okay, so this is just for example. I won't rename this. Okay, what if you want to unformat this? Okay, let's uncheck the total row, and what you do is you go to convert to range. Okay, so click anywhere here in the table, convert to range means convert to the normal cells. Okay, do you want to convert the table to normal range? Yes. So now you can see there's no more table design tab over here already, but the formatting is still there. Okay, so you just have to go to home, cell styles, and click normal. You have to select all. Okay, select all cell styles. Click normal, then you are back to normal already. Okay, so that's it for this video on table formatting. So I hope you understand more. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will do more videos. Okay, until then, Papa J learns Excel. See you in the next video. Bye.